Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to log your symptoms on the Flow application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait till it's loaded in. And then you should tap on the X button in the upper right corner, then click on Today button down below, which is the first option, and click on Log Your Symptoms down below in the left side. Then you should select how you are feeling today from these options, and then you should select the categories in the ovulation test section. Then you should set the sex and sex drive options here, and your mood should be selected too from these options. Then you should enter your symptoms. You can tap on more than one, as you can see. Then you can enter the pregnancy test options, the vaginal discharge, other physical activity, and you can also add your notes in this last section. So tap on it and then type in your notes, and if you are done, click on the Done button. And if you are ready to apply all these information, tap on the Apply button in the upper right corner of the screen to save this information, and they will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.